Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. Let's start with today's session. Imagine you are in a large office building, factory, shopping mall or warehouse when suddenly an emergency occurs. The power goes out, an alarm starts ringing and people begin looking for a safe way out. In moments like these, panic can spread quickly. But how do people know where to go? The answer often comes down to a single green sign on a wall. These are called ISO 7010 emergency escape signs, and they play a critical role during emergencies. They guide people towards safety, help reduce confusion, and can make the difference between a safe evacuation and a dangerous situation. Today, we will explore what these signs mean, why they are important, and the common emergency escape signs that everyone should recognize. Now, what are ISO 7010 emergency escape signs? ISO 7010 is an international standard that provides safety signs understood around the world. Emergency escape signs are specifically designed to guide people to safety during emergencies such as fires, gas leaks, chemical incidents, earthquakes, or other situations requiring evacuation. These signs are easy to recognize because they usually have a green background with white symbols. The color green is used internationally to represent safety, safe conditions, and escape routes. Whenever you see one of these signs, it is essentially saying this way to safety. Now, why emergency escape signs matter? During an emergency, people often experience stress, fear, and confusion. In these situations, there may not be enough time to read detailed instructions or ask for directions. Emergency escape signs provide instant guidance. They help people identify exits, locate escape routes, and find emergency equipment quickly because these signs use simple symbols rather than words. They can be understood by people of different languages and backgrounds. Their purpose is simple but powerful. Help people reach safety as quickly as possible. Now, emergency exit sign. One of the most important ISO 7010 emergency signs is the emergency exit sign. The sign usually shows a person moving toward a doorway and indicates the location of a safe exit. You will find it in offices, factories, schools, hospitals, airports, and public buildings. During an emergency, following this sign can help people leave the building quickly and safely instead of becoming trapped or confused. Now, escape route direction signs. Finding an exit is only part of the process. People also need to know how to get there. That is where escape route direction signs become important. These signs use arrows to indicate the direction of the nearest emergency exit, whether the route goes left, right, upstairs, or straight ahead. These signs guide people along the safest evacuation path. They help ensure that people continue moving towards safety even in unfamiliar environments. Then we have emergency assembly point. Once people evacuate a building, they need a safe location to gather. The emergency assembly point sign identifies the designated area where occupants should meet after evacuation. This allows supervisors and emergency responders to confirm that everyone has safely exited the building. Without an assembly point, it becomes much more difficult to account for people during an emergency. Now we have first aid sign. Emergencies sometimes result in injuries that require immediate attention. The first aid sign indicates the location of first aid facilities, medical supplies, or trained first aid personnel. In workplaces and public facilities, this sign helps injured individuals or responders quickly find the assistance they need. In many situations, fast access to first aid can significantly reduce the severity of an injury. Now, why green signs are used? You may have noticed that emergency escape signs are green, while warning signs are yellow and prohibition signs are red. This color system is intentional. Green is universally associated with safety, safe conditions, and movement toward protection. When people see a green sign during an emergency, it immediately communicates reassurance and direction. This consistency helps people react more quickly when time is critical. So, ISO 7010 emergency escape signs are among the most important safety signs in any workplace or public building. They guide people to safety, reduce confusion during emergencies, and support efficient evacuations. Now, understanding these signs before an emergency occurs can help you react faster, make better decisions, and potentially save lives. Safety is not just about preventing accidents, it is also about knowing how to respond when something goes wrong. So, the next time you enter a building, take a moment to notice the green emergency escape signs around you. Hopefully, you will never need them, but if an emergency happens, you will be glad you know exactly where they lead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more workplace safety and ISO related content. Stay prepared, stay aware, and most importantly, stay safe. And I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.